Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use split screen mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to use the split screen mode, first of all open the first app that you want to use in split mode. So if you want to use the gallery app and my files app at the same time, then first of all open the gallery app. Now click on this recents key and then tap on the gallery app icon. Now tap on open in split screen view, and now it will open the gallery app on the top half portion of your screen. Now from the bottom you can open the second app that you want to use in split screen. So from here just simply tap on your app that you want to use, and then it will open the other app in the bottom half of your screen. So you can adjust the screen for the apps. So that's how you can use the split screen mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.